And here I am. And I forgot how to play this. Dude, this is you back then, man. Back in 2006. Oh, what? I don't know. Okay, Todd, just please play this. All right. What? I don't know how to play. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, come on, man. Come on, you've seen this, bro. All right. But I still can't. All right. Play. Let go. That's it. Yeah, do the arrow. Ow. Bro, what did you do? Yeah, oh. Get him. Oh, bro. Look correctly this time. I did it. Okay, I did it. Okay, I did it. Alright, for your first time and you get an A+. You passed your driver's test. What? You passed your driver's test. Oh, why would you remind me about that? Well, you did. What, new paint job for me? Why can't it look like me, like right now? Right now in 2017. Why? I don't know, man. I don't know, cause you can't. Cause you just... Bruh, I don't even know when this was. Was this back in 2006? Bruh, this was back in 2006. I didn't know that. Race against someone easy. That's what I'm doing. Oh, no, do not race against him, dude. Do not race against him. Those are the extreme people. I know. Boost. No, heck no. I hate him. What, you hate Mater? No, I don't. I never said that. Are you, bro? Why would you say some negative stuff, alright? Alright. Oh, get all these coins, bro. All these coins. Boy. I still haven't found my pit yet.
This is good old-fashioned.
Yeah, I Sarge. But I still haven't found my pit yet. Alright. Yeah, why are you going to the garage? I don't know. I just want to. So I haven't found my pit yet. Later.
Someday I want to be as good as Lightning McQueen.
Alright. Paint jobs. I can't go to any paint jobs. She picked the cars 3-1. Yeah. Yeah, that's you actually. Yeah, still. Okay, back.
I'm not seeing you.
Bye.
No autographs now. But just
Wow, what happened?
oh yeah.
Alright, I actually got an upgrade for Chick. Man, this is all 2006 stuff. Have you checked out Race Chick for some reason? Alright.
This one is all mine.
He sounds different now. Back in, even in 2017 though, he also sounds different. Oh, bro, I don't get him. Dude, just race against Chick, bro. Alright, what? Oh no, do not race against him. Wait, hold on. What type is he? Right, he's just 62. You're 65. Alright. No. Totally not. Bro, why can't I race against anybody? Bro, race against somebody and be done with it. Bro, race against somebody. Alright, fine. Race against him. No. Fine. So what'd you do? I don't want to race against this guy. Look how big he looks. Bro, just race against him. Get ready. Hey, let me try this. Alright. Oh, I missed it. Get it. Oh, man. He tried, though. Come on, McQueen. Get this, please. Please, I'm never gonna pass. Bro, you passed the first one. Yeah, I know. But I still don't want to do this. Why would you put that up there? Bro, you just said eat your heart out. Hey, that's an alright. Pick somebody else now. Yeah. I gotta make the face cam a bit bigger. Alright. Alright then. That's good enough. Continue for what reason though? I don't know, man. Who do I want to race against? Who is racing though? Who is racing first of all? Mater, Francesco, hold up. Boy, this guy's an easy now. Boy, at first he was on medium. No! This guy's at 62, bro. McQueen, this guy's at like 62. Alright, fine, you race him. I'm not racing him. Alright, bro, you race him. Fine, you race him. I am not racing this guy. I'm not racing this guy. Oh, fine. Alright, that's good. I don't even want to hear no stories back in 2011. Hey, he didn't take off. I don't care. Yeah, see. Bye. Bye, bro. Yeah. Go. Oh, yeah. I'm passing everything, bro. I'm passing. I passed. Boy.
I don't even think I know how to lose.
Yeah, you lose once, dude. You lost once. But that I don't want to hear any memories back in 2006. Okay, man? Okay, we're all about 2017. Finn, a chick, Dory, this is his map. This guy, Todd, and Mater. You just said Mater. Oh, come on, I want to race against me. Bro, alright, you race against you. I'm not racing against you. Oh, fine. Fine. Want to do it the hard way, huh? What do you mean by the hard way? I don't know. Hello, everybody. Hey, Finn. You, for, hi, what? I'm not gonna say that. No, bruh. What?
100% chance of thunder.
Bruh, what speed am I anyway? What speed am I, though? I'm probably not the speed of anything. I'm gonna go easy on me. Come on, dude. Sorry. Right, you're you, man. But chick is mean. He's mean. He caused that accident. Ow. You passed me. I passed myself. Oh, I don't want to beat myself. Dang, dude. Dang, shit. What happened to you? Oh, you back there pounding. Don't get me started, bruh. Boy, you back there pounding. Don't get me started. McQueen, please do not get me started. I got 2 gas fulls yet left. I am quitting. No, don't quit. Do not quit. What are you doing? I don't know, man. What are you doing? I don't know what to do first. Oh, what did you do? Sorry.